Assalamualaikum guys. Today I am taking the reading of zodiac sign Aquarius. What will happen to uh, my dear Aquarius in the first 15 days of October? I have pulled some cards out from the deck of Dream of Kaya, and now I am taking your cards in front of you. What is going to happen with my dear Aquarius in the first 15 days of October? What will happen to my dear Aquarius in the first 15 days of October? What will happen to my dear Aquarius in the first 15 days of October? Okay, you have got two cards, and the first card is Page of Wands. You are not interested in something, and you have no interest in something or about someone, and you are not happy to do it. Something that is not you, that is not your attention or not you are interested in. You have to do it. You are not happy to doing it. What else? Okay. Yes, you have a lot other desire to do, a lot other wishes to fulfill. You want to do something else, or maybe this is proposals or love interest, and you are interested in someone else, and someone you love, they are forcing you to do this. This is only for some work. Nine of Wands. Yes, you are not protecting yourself, or you are not defending yourself. You are not fighting for this situation. You are not attracted to this thing. You don't want to do it. So you are not putting your energy in it. I'm not taking a step for this thing, or not doing any hard work for it, because you don't want anything from any profit out of this situation. You don't want to do it. You are not interested in this situation. What else for my dear Aquarius? And you have a nightmare because of this situation. Maybe you are fighting with your parents, or you love, and you don't want to do it, and you are forced to do it. You are you have stress over here, that you are can't able to sleep at night, and definitely you don't want to do it. You don't want to spend your time, your money at this situation. You don't want to protect here something. Okay, you have no patience at this moment, and you think that there is no healing about this situation. There is no goodness in this situation. You can't do anything over here. And okay, what else? Okay, because of this situation, because of this stagnance, your home life is going towards disaster. It is going towards bad things, fight, unwillingness, or not love in no love in this situation, and you are stressless. Now you are stressless. Maybe someone is isolated themselves from you, and they are not talking to you. Now you are stressless because they are not talking to you to do this. They are not forcing you to do it, and you are happy now. You are hiding something from them. Why is this moon card upside down in this situation? Okay, because there is no stability in this situation, in this relationship, and also you are not blocking anyone. You are not you are having no blind fold on your eyes. You are looking at it, or that person is looking at it. What is going on? What is you hiding? There is no stability in this relationship. You are going to leave someone over here. for your own good, to make yourself independent. You're taking the leap of faith, taking the risk to do something. You are believing on, you have a belief on God, on Allah, and you are taking your step. You know that you are right, you know that, and that's why you are taking the step. But you are, because you are not interested in what the others are giving to you. You are not attracting towards that things. You have no love, no attraction, no passion about this job or about this relationship. What else for my dear Aquarius? Yes, you want to do it fast. Okay, you want to do it fast. A communication with someone. Maybe this is the situation. You want to communicate with someone, or communicate with the higher self for this situation, for this condition. Asking yourself what is good and what is, oh no, sorry guys. Okay guys, one card is fall, and this is that card. You are going to betray someone. You are going to backstab someone, or someone wants to backstab you. Why is this? Because at this moment you are not lucky, or that person is not lucky. What else is happening to my dear Aquarius? You are leaving. Definitely you are leaving the situation, the job, or the relationship that you are not attracted to, you have no passion for. You are leaving that. You are you want to give your all attention to something else or someone else. You like someone else, you want to love someone else, or want to do something else. Yes, but you have some disbeliefs in this situation. You are attracted to that person or that thing, that job, but you have some disbeliefs about this situation. What else? There is some heartbreaking situation, and now at this moment you are healing it. This had done in the past, and that's why you have no love for someone in your life. 5 of Cups, you are not crying over the spilled milk. You know that what had happened just happened, what had gone just gone. I can't do anything over it, so you are not crying over it, and you are also not want to know why is this happened to you, why is this going on. What else is happening to my dear Aquarius in the first 15 days of October? You know that there is no stability in this relationship, or in this situation, in this job. You are not juggling. You had make your mind. You know that. You had make your mind, and you are not juggling over it. You know that there is someone that or something that you can do better than this. You are moving towards that thing. Okay, now you had controlled your own self, your emotional thoughts, and your mind, your heart, and you are balancing yourself, and you are getting out of this bad situation slowly and steadily, or moving towards someone else, or doing something else slowly and steadily. Maybe you don't have a lot of money to do something or new job, and you are doing it by making some money, and step by step, and you are a very wise person. You are the person who know a lot, what is good, what is bad, they know a lot. And you also you're teaching something here, someone. Maybe you are a teacher, or maybe you are teaching your family, your siblings, your relatives, that how you can do something. you can get something from nothing, and you're waiting for someone or something to happen. You're waiting here, and then you have, yes, you are moving towards something. You have a desire to do it, you have the passion towards it, and you are making finding your soulmate. Maybe you know that the other person, the person you are doing this for, this person is your soulmate. This person is good for you. You will be happy with this person. You are moving towards this person, or maybe this is your friend, and you are moving towards that person, having a good time, to have a good time. Queen of Cups, someone here is, because of this situation, because you leave someone, they are very angry at this moment. They want to take a revenge with you. They hate you at this moment. You are not able to decide something with this card. You have to decide it soon, but you are not able to decide anything. And they definitely, you both have no love for each other. This is the Queen and King card, and no strength to tell each other. Maybe this is the situation of love. This is a situation, love situation, and due to some problems, you both are having some misunderstanding, and you both are not able to, you are not anymore in love with each other, and you are very practical at this moment. You think what is good for you, and you are only do this thing. You think that this person is not good for you, and you are leaving them. You are telling them truth or others truth, and you are isolated yourself from this person. You both are not talking to each other. You are stuck over this situation right here. Okay, what next? Okay, there is the justice for you in this situation. The Allah will bring you, or the universe is bringing you the justice. This is a judgment card. They are giving you some, they are changing something for you. They are giving what you want, a happiness. They are giving you happiness. Something is changing, transforming your own self. Maybe you are making your own happiness by your own self. Your wishes are coming true, and you are going to be succeed in your whatever you want. Okay, whatever you're struggling for in this all reading, you are going to get this. Okay, congratulate. And this is the Queen of Air upside down, the Father card upside, and the Two of Swords. But first, this Queen of Air. With this card upside, it means that a person or a lady knows what she had to do, and she don't think about others when she wants something. If she wants something, she never think about others. She just go and get it. Okay, she have no mercy for others. Okay, but when this card is upside down, and she is a lot rude to others at this moment when she is talking to others or dealing with others. Okay, in this reading, this Queen of Air upside down is you. You are fighting with those pupils that they are not agreeing with you. They not agreed with you. They restricted you. They want you to do something else, rather you want to do something other than they tell. Okay, and you are restricting them. You are rude with them, being rude with them. You are telling them that I don't want to follow you. I want to do what I want to do. It's up to me. And she want to control others, or maybe she want to pretend that she is a superior than other, or you are the superior than other. You want to do something else. So nobody has the right to stop you. And she is not listening to those persons that are so sensitive, and they are sensitive and compassionate, emotionally sensitive and compassionate, and that's why she is isolated and alone at this moment. She is not talking to anyone. I have seen these cards here, that you are not talking to them. And you are here, you're thinking that this is because of others ignorance, that you are in this isolated state, and this is not your own fault, uh, whereas this is also your fault, as well as their fault, but you think that you have done nothing bad, but others had done. Okay. And okay, you are also not showing others understanding or empathy that is necessary here. You are not showing it. And if you always telling others that you are not wrong, and you are restricting me, you are bad for me, then you will be alone in your future. Nobody will want to make a relationship with you, or want to live with you, want to uh, love you. Okay. And with this father card, maybe you are not listening to your father. You are father and you want your child to listen to you, and they are not listening to you. That's why you are in this kind of stage. You have the responsibility towards your family. Okay. A fatherhood, loving, caring, protecting person. Okay. Smart, intelligent leader, leading someone towards something. Okay. And you have authority to change something, to do something over here. You have to protect your family, your loved ones. You have the responsibility towards them. You are responsible for them. You have to guide them. You are the guider, and you are guidance for them. You have to support them. Okay. You make a love for them, compassion, and also control them with compassion, with love, with heart. Okay. Politely control them. If you think that there is a time that you have to little bit um, be a rude for with them, then you can do it, because you are a father of that person. But you don't have to use this situation, this state of your mind always. Okay, now you have the two of swords over here. Okay, this is a duality. Two things. You are thinking about two things, bad and right, good, and you don't know what is the right way to choose, what you have to do over here. You are confused here. Okay. And maybe this is some kind of separation and unity, then again separation and unity. uh, Choices, making choices, looking the big picture of the real thing out of the picture, and everything has its opposite. When there is a good, there is a bad. When there is a bad, there is a good. You have to balance this. You are a man, not a god, not an angel. You have to do a mistake. They had made a mistake, but you have to balance it now. At this moment, you have to balance it. You have to heal this relationship, or whatever this is, this situation is, you have to heal. Okay, and think about others, love others. Okay, don't see others darkness, only others, towards only others darkness, towards others um, bad habits. Also see their good habits, their light, towards their light. Okay, balance your emotions, balance your life. uh, this is all for you, my dear Aquarius, for now. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.